You ever feel like you know something, but then realize you actually have no idea? Like, why do we say bless you when someone sneezes? Turns out, back in the day, people believed sneezing meant your soul was trying to escape. So saying bless you was like a quick prayer to keep it in. Weird, right? And here's another one. Ever noticed how your phone magically suggests exactly what you were thinking about? Is it reading your mind? Or are we all just giving it way too much data without realizing? If you love these kinds of mind-blowing facts, hit that subscribe button. I promise, for more amazing content, suggest your thoughts on comment.